Hi guys, welcome to the IME3D design, and today we're going to review X-Kit from IME3D. So basically this is some kind of toy factory for your kids. Whatever you can imagine it can do. So you have a controller that looks like this, something I guess Raspberry Pi or something like that based. So basically this is your module. You can connect it to iPad, any Android device or Windows. For that you will need to download the application and I guess simply connect. We will try to see how easy it is to connect just right here directly in this video. Then it comes a lot of 3D printed parts. Basically, if you are lazy to 3D print something or you are struggling with designing your own robot or something that looks like robot, you have all the sets here for you ready, already 3D printed. Then it comes a lot of parts like trucks, in case if you want to make a tank or something, 4 servo motors. So you can attach them together. Connection wires, looks like 2 standard wheels from IME3D. A lot of tires, so 2 small, 2 big. You have a buzzer that makes some noise. Also you have ultrasonic sensor already included. And a lot of pins, ball joints and whatever, just something to connect all the parts together. So this device I've charged already. Let's try to connect. For that you will need to download the application. Right here is all the QR codes and everything, or just simple link for your PC, which requires Windows 7 and above. And I'm pretty sure everybody have it already. So the instruction says we need to charge it, so I've charged it already. Then you need to power it on, put some wheels, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's do it. So I've already downloaded this application. So let's see how easy it is to connect. So I need to press power button, okay. Then let's try control. Here on the top right corner I see some connections. Refresh device list. And right away it's showing me all the Bluetooth devices which are available. So I found some X-Kit 1D blah 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 blah. So that's probably the serial number. Let's connect. Do we want to connect? Yes. And that's it. Right away it shows me the blue Bluetooth light. Is it really so fast? It's crazy. Okay, here are some remote controls. So I press up, down. Okay, so let's put some wheels on. For that we will need these kind of connections. Let's put these standard wheels. Forward. Backwards. I'm amazed how I see some sensors over here. Ah, that must be for the map that comes with it. You know, like a follow the line or oh goodness, it's very big map. It's better to use it on the floor. So you know, like a follow the line, can you see guys? Yeah. Kind of follow the line map where you actually, the robot will just go according to the line. Interesting. Will it go right away? Okay, I have here some options tracker. Okay, let's try and turn. Yeah, if that would be more straight, of course it would go much better, but since it's... you see it's kind of tracking. Let's try, let's go backward. Okay, You see it's tracking the line already because it has these sensors on the bottom. This paper is not straight, so that's why it's just like going around, but that's it. There is no line. I'm sorry. How to stop? Okay. So as you see, it can follow the line directly out of the box. Oh, let me fold this. So it can follow the line. Let's connect something, maybe ultrasonic sensors, and see how it goes with ultrasonic sensor. So I guess we need this wire. And it's just written right here, as you can see. Here is written ultra, so you open this, then you just connect just like that, and somehow need to attach. Let's use one of the pins. Let's try follower. It's funny actually how it works. It's, you know, interesting. I like it. Then we have some spinner function. Ah, okay. It spins kind of fast, slow, fast, slow. Then we have winner function. Looks like it's dancing. Okay, so let's try to assemble something and see what can we do with it. For that, basically all I'm doing, I'm just going back to menu and let's see what kind of details we have. I see some kind of Formula 1. I mean, I'm scrolling right now and it's not like I'm going into the loop, it keeps scrolling and scrolling. A lot of projects they have. I already see quite a lot what I want to make for my kid. They even have a train. I think I found it something. It looks like go-kart. So let's press on it. Building instruction. Okay, so it shows us all the parts. Something was mixed up because this one was missing, but it's in another packet, which is not a big deal. Put the wheels at the back. So simple. I just remove those and I put whatever they have there. Okay, tolerance is pretty tight, but it is doable. Next, oops, I switched it off and it's connected right away. Very good. One pin here, one here. It reminds me of some kind of Lego Technics, like more advanced. The one you can control is just amazing. Okay, next. I like because it shows me here like how many pins do I need for that. So I need 2 pins. Next. I didn't quite get it where. Ah, I can rotate the actual model. Wow. Okay, so those I put in the wrong place. They need to go lower. Then next. Where did these two go? And that's how easily we make some kind of a racing car. Okay, already the last step. So we close it now. We can print. Let's see what they have. Export STL. Socket setting. Medium, small, large. That's pretty much tolerance. So now we have everything there. Let's go to code. Card coding or block coding. For me preferably text coding, but let's try card coding. Okay, so now we have motion. Let's try forward. We have a loop. Okay, when I'm done, what do I do with it? Let's try how the servo's working. It also would be very nice if here would be a sticker, for example, go-kart or something. Otherwise, looking at this bag, I don't really understand what is it. Maybe I just put it on the table and only then, according to the pictures, I can figure out what it is approximately. Let's say D1 is right over here. You should have some little fingers in order to put it inside. Okay, so this is our servo. It is moving. It reached the limit. Then I have this reset button. So it has a buzzer also. Let me know in the comments if you see the buzzer on this table. Okay guys, you won't believe that the buzzer, when I was showing this tracking line map, accidentally I scuffed the buzzer inside the map. So let's hear the buzzer, how it buzzes. Okay, it sounds like some old car horn you can attach somewhere. And then the light. Ah, here is the light. Okay, that's cool. So pretty much you can build anything with this. You have 4 servers, 1 ultrasonic, light, looks like 2 DC motors for the wheels. You can do a lot with it. Let's have a look what can you do with this application. Cars, you can do some robots, fire trucks, smart stroller, interesting. You can view them in 3D right over here. So it looks like this smart stroller is with the servo motors. Monster car, transformer, mechanical spider, skiing penguin, elephant, beetle, excavator, mini loader. So basically for excavator, mini loader, you're using these trucks. Spacecraft. You can build a display stand. And there looks like a lot of tutorials also directly in this application. So guys, I really like this thing. I'm going to build something in the future, so make sure you subscribe to follow up on this thing. What can CAD Modeler do with that? It's gonna take some time, but for sure I will come up with a video where me and my kid are making something interesting out of, not these parts, out of these parts. So thank you for watching. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and have a great modeling.